Step into the 2012 Mazda 5 Sport. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: cruise control, fuel economy, EPA highway, MPG 28 and EPA city, MPG 21, center console, full with storage, external temperature display, power mirrors, audio controls on steering wheel, and front seat type, bucket. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.